I'm putting this Fostex R8 on the auction block, and today I'm going to be going over all the controls and indicators on the unit and tell you a little bit about the capabilities of this machine. This video is going to be a little bit lengthy, but it's mostly for informational purposes for the potential buyer. Just want to feel 100% confident that this unit is 100% operational and you shouldn't have any issues out of this Fostex R8. I'm going to add another video in the description below showing the calibration process or parts of the calibration process for this Fostex R8. One of the first things you notice about this Fostex R8 is its compact size. It weighs 22 pounds, has a carrying handle, so it's very portable. And it also has all the advanced features you'd want on a multi-track recorder. All the search functions that you would normally see on larger machines. This unit has all the search and locate and auto return, auto play functions that, again, you normally see on the larger professional machines. First thing we'll go over is loading the tape on the unit. Very simple process. Once you have your supply side loaded with a reel of tape, you'll thread the tape beneath this tension arm over this roller, beneath the head stack, and in between the capstan and the pinch roller, over this roller and beneath this tension arm, and then you simply wind the tape onto the take-up reel, and you're ready to begin using the unit. Once you have the tape loaded, the next thing you want to do is turn the power on. The power switch is located directly beneath this roller. And when we turn the power on, this unit goes into a self-test. You'll see the word Fostex stream across the screen. And once that's done, it's completed this self-test. Okay, and once that's complete, you're ready to begin using the machine. This unit also has a more in-depth self-test. To engage that function, turn the power off, and then before you turn it back on, press the stop button as you're turning on the power button. And then you'll see a series of numbers go across the screen. The word Fostex still goes across this screen. And the unit is just doing a very thorough self-test. And once this test is complete, you'll be ready to begin using the unit. I'm going to take a quick look at the connections on the Fostex R8. There are 8 inputs available and 8 outputs on the back side of it. These are the inputs and these are the outputs. I'm going to be using track 1 and 3, the left channel and the right channel. Okay, so we're going to do a quick recording demonstration on the unit. I have a song playing from my PC into tracks 1 and 3 on this unit, and we'll be able to monitor that song when I press the input monitor switch. And this is the song coming from my PC. And to record, we're going to select 2 channels, the 2 channels that the music is coming into. To do that, we'll press this safe ready switch. Then we'll see this indicator for T. That means which tracks. It's asking which tracks do you want to record to. We're going to record on track 1, and you see the red LED illuminates on track 1 and track 3. Next, we'll move over to the record and play switches. Press record and then press play, and then we should go into record at that time. And these blinking LEDs, these two red blinking LEDs at the bottom. It should go steady. And now our record and playback indicators are illuminated. I have this auto play function engaged. I'm going to reset the counter, and we're going to let it record for a minute. And then I'm going to press this locate 0 switch, and the tape is going to go into rewind back to the counter until the counter reads 0. And because I have the auto play function engaged, it'll start playing the tape at that point. Okay. I'll turn off the monitor so we can listen to the tape. It's a very neat feature on this multi-track recorder. It comes in really handy when you're making those multi-track recordings, because you can go back to the section of the tape where you want to add another track onto your recordings. I'm not a professional studio engineer by any stretch of the imaginations, but anyone that is in the studio environment will find that this unit is a very capable recorder. The unit also has a numeric keypad with 10 numbers 0 through 9, as well as a period and a hyphen. And these controls are used for data input and various command controls on the machine. Some of the other buttons located on the key panel are the hold function. With this button, when it's depressed, you can copy the point on this tape time counter into memory, so you can go back to it later as part of the program of this unit. The store button is used for various kinds of data and storing data into the internal memory. RCL is for recall. Clear is to, like right now we're recording on channels 1 and 3. If we wanted to clear that out, it would clear out the memory, and you can see that we're no longer recording on tracks 1 and 3. Another neat feature, let's say we want to record on all 8 channels at the same time. Instead of pressing in each number, go into the we're already in the safe ready mode, and this asking us which tracks we want to record on. If we wanted to record on, let's say, tracks 1 through 8, we'll just type in 1, then this hyphen, and 8, and then all 8 channels are selected. We'll clear that out. Let's say we want to record on tracks 2, 4, 6, and 8. Then we would have to press 2, 4, 6, and 8 as the tracks that we want to record on. And we can clear that out. Another convenient feature on the Fostex R8 is the detachable keyboard. You just lift it up on either side, and it separates from the R8, or normally it does. And it's connected by a cable. With this cable, you can bring the keyboard out. I guess about a foot. Fostex also made an extension cable. Whoever purchased this unit, I'll throw one of those in with the package. And this extends the range on the keypad for another 20 feet. This is the part that plugs into the R8, and then the keypad plugs into this one. The R8 also has a pitch control function. So you're playing a tape and you want to speed it up slightly. Just turn this knob clockwise. And if you'd like to slow it down, turn it counterclockwise. And there's a stop right in the middle to get it right at the 15 inches per second. Okay, so that does it for this presentation of the Fostex R8 multi-track recorder. I didn't go through all the functions on the unit because frankly I don't know how to do some of those, but if there's a procedure that you'd like me to demonstrate on this machine, feel free to just hit me up in the comments down below or send me an email, and I'll try to get those procedures uploaded for you. Until then, I'm Big Matt. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.